Hello and welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download or install Irs2Go app in your device. Irs2Go app is an app that allows you to easily access various tax related features on your smartphone or tablet. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Irs2Go. There you can see Irs2Go. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Irs2Go app and make your payment easily. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.